How's it going, everyone? Today is January 7, 2021. This is Israel, your loan officer down here in Southern California. Crazy news, crazy day yesterday. Shootings, couple of killings down at the White House. You would have expected that this bad news would have helped with the mortgage interest rates, as again, we follow the mortgage-backed securities pretty closely, and the logic always dictates whenever there's bad news, those mortgage interest rates go down. Well, we have a mixed bag as of today. In fact, rates did go up. And in fact, on yesterday's video, I had mentioned that my prediction would be that if the Democrats would win those 2 seats in the Senate and have majority, then we could definitely expect interest rates to climb. And well, it did happen. Rates did climb, but I do have a little surprise for all our followers. I want to share with you not only my rates, but the rates of other banks. And so with that, let's begin. And here we go. We close the day with negative 19 points. If you recall yesterday's video, we had closed with negative 38, as you see here with this blue candle. Again, today was another bad day for the mortgage market. Remember, every time there's positive news, rates go up. Every time we have negative news, interest rates start to come down. Now, you would have expected that yesterday's news, as fatal as it was, would have driven the rates to go down. Well, again, let me show you what happened with the rates. Okay, and here we go. We're going to start with a conventional loan. These are interest rates fixed for 30 years and require a 20% down payment. These are the rates that we were looking at yesterday. And as you can see, everyone got hurt except all those people that have a middle FICO score of 740 and plus. They didn't see any changes from yesterday to today. Now, for everyone else, yesterday you could have gotten a 2.875. Now you're talking a 3%. Remember, prior to 2.875, this had also suffered. It was actually lower day before yesterday. And well, let's go take a look at the second program, which is the FHA. Same scenario, 30-year fix. Only difference is that it only requires a 3.5 down payment. Look at this. Everyone except the 640 FICO score got a positive change. Strange, right? Conventional loans got hit pretty hard, but FHA loans, government-backed loans, looks like they were doing pretty good. Well, that's with us. Because if you look down here, take a look at this. US Bank offering you a 2.75. Now, remember, all these rates are tied to a 740 FICO score. If you do the comparisons, you have to do them under this line here with the 740 middle FICO score. I think the lowest one is Quicken Loans. It's offering a 2.49, almost a 2.5, with an APR of 3.435. Here with us, we're offering that 2.375, not only for the people that have a 740 FICO score, but also those with a 700 FICO score as well. Okay, so the takeaway would be, after seeing these rates, you can tell that they're all over the place. Depending on what type of program you're going to use for either your refinance or a purchase of a home, some are higher than others. The good thing is that we are offering interest rates extremely competitive versus the competition. Again, if you are thinking of making a move, what would I say to myself? Well, let's see. The Dow Jones, S&P 500, they broke records. Bitcoin, it broke a record, a first-time record of $40,000 per share. This is really crazy territory. I could probably tell you that tomorrow these rates are going to go down. Chances are, at this point, the way things are heading, it could go either way. If we do see changes, at least one positive note is that you could see that our rates are really, really competitive. And if you're one of those that is kind of sitting on the sidelines thinking, should I refinance? Should I kind of just wait to see once the dust settles? There's 2 triggers that I would pay attention to. The vaccines, they're having a hard time trying to just execute. It's taking them longer than they expected. So that's bad news. Another bad news is that we're seeing cases where people that had COVID-19 are kind of getting it back, or symptoms are coming back, different symptoms, but they are coming back. That's obviously bad news. And again, remember, all the bad news equals lower mortgage rates. On the other hand, Democrats have majority. You could definitely tell that the market wants to go this way. And when I mean this way, investors are definitely want to get this economy up and running. So if that happens, if the economy starts blossoming or the engines start moving yet again, you could definitely expect these interest rates not to go not as high, but you can definitely see them notching just a little bit. Again, two sides of the coin. At this point, the coin is spinning around. It could land either heads or tails. So all we could do is just kind of follow the market, see where it goes. If you are thinking of refinancing, definitely, I would probably advise look into locking in your rate. Remember, once you lock a rate, it's good depending on which lender you're working with. It's good for either 25, 30, or even up to 45 days. And you can be sure you're going to be locked in with a reasonable rate. And to finalize this video, if you want to give me a call, my number is 661-388-7667. If you have any questions in regards to either a purchase, refinancing your property, or if you are a homeowner and just want to know what the value of your house is, do give me a call and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you again. May God bless our nation. May God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.